So in today's video, we're going to be going over the basics of how to curl your lashes. Now, this is different for a lot of people, and a lot of people will feel like their way is better. It is a personal preference on how to curl your lashes, but there are some wrong ways to do it. So I am here to clear that up for you. And if you're new here, hello, I am Josie. I post new videos every single week, and I hope you guys will stay and subscribe and become part of the Glam fam. I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They're also at Beautybyjosiek, and I talk to y'all mostly on those platforms. So I hope you guys will go check me out there as well. And let's get into this basics video. You may be thinking to yourself, Josie, curling your lashes is self-explanatory. You don't really have to teach us how to do it. No, there are a lot of people that don't know how to curl their lashes. It is a big part of your makeup routine, especially if you are like me and your eyelashes curl downwards and they're straight and it's really hard for them to curl. So the first step is to warm up your lash curler. You could just keep it in your hands for a couple seconds to warm it up. You could put it between your legs. I know that sounds weird. Body heat. That's all I gotta say. After you have warmed it up, I also like to clean the lash curler off because it is really annoying when you've spent all this time on your eye makeup and eyeliner and you go to curl your lashes and leftover black stuff that was on your lash curler gets on your eye. And I don't know why, but that's really hard to get off. Purchase a really nice eyelash curler. Now, if you have gorgeous, thick, luscious, curly lashes, like my sister, you might not need this, but a really good eyelash curler is really crucial for someone that needs an eyelash lift. How I curl my lashes is a little bit different from everyone else. I don't pull down this part of my, I mean I do sometimes, like if I'm in a rush and I'm not really thinking, I do sometimes. But if I am consciously doing someone else's lashes, I will pull up on their eyelid instead of down underneath their eye, because that can cause a lot of premature wrinkles. Also, you get a handprint on your makeup, and you know, it's just, I don't want to have to deal with it. So what I do is I take a clean finger and make sure your fingers are clean and not freaking wet at all, otherwise you'll ruin your makeup. What I do is I pull up on my lashes, place the lashes into the lash curler, pull up, and then press down with the lash curler. So you don't want to rest your lash curler on your face or on your lid, because it will cause, you know, your makeup to rub and smear, and you know, no one likes that. So keep it, just hover it with your eye or with your hand. It's really not that hard once you get used to it. Let go and move up a little bit on the lashes. And you're pinching this whole time until you move the lash curler. Once you're done with that, you're going to let go, go up a little bit more and pinch. A little bit more and pinch. And then let go, and your eyelashes, at least my eyelashes, are a lot more curled, but I go in 3 or 4 times. So now that my lashes are curled, I can now get them all into the lash curler without the help of my hand. So now I have this free, and I will just pull the outer corner of my eye out so I don't get any of the lower lashes into the curler. Let go, move up, pinch. Let go, move up, pinch. All right, other eye. I'm just going to pull up a tad, get my eyelashes in, pinch, and let go. Alright, and then you will see that your lashes are curled, and you can move on to your mascara or applying false lashes, and or both. like me. I'm gonna go finish my makeup and I will be right back. Alright guys, that is it. If you guys would like to see the rest of the basics videos with this face, I will link it somewhere here, the series, as I upload it. It will get bigger and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye!